doing well. As you all know, our today's topic is about Accenture Welcome Kit unboxing. Yes, you heard it right. So in this video, I'll be discussing all the components given by Accenture in their welcome kit. As you can see, I have already unboxed the welcome kit because I was too curious to do it. But don't worry, I'll be discussing each and everything, and also I'll be telling how to collect it, where to collect it. So please stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any important update. As well as I'll be sharing an update about accommodation. So as you all know, Accenture is onboarding physically from September batches as well. So for the upcoming November and December batch, it will be physical onboarding. So they are providing accommodation or not. I'll be discussing each and everything, how many days, whether it is free or paid, the quality of hotels they are giving. So please stay tuned till the end, as this is a very important video. So before starting our today's video, I would ask you a pardon because this is my first unboxing video. So if I make any mistake, please forgive me. So on this note, let's start our today's video. So the most important component of the welcome kit is seen on your screen. That is the laptop. So Accenture is providing laptops of Dell, HP as well as Lenovo ThinkPad. So depends upon the availability, depends upon the facility where you are receiving the laptop. So in my facility we had these three laptops, and I got a Dell laptop which has configuration of approximately 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Intel i5 10th generation, and also it has a graphics card. So these are the basic configuration of this laptop. So along with this laptop, obviously you'll be getting a charger, and then you'll also be getting a headset, that is Jabra headset, along with a mic, and at the last you'll be getting a iCard from Accenture, temporary access card, so that you can access the office location. So let's see one by one. First of all, as I told you, Accenture is providing laptop. So as you can see, the laptop is Latitude 3410. You can check the configuration in the Google, as well as you can see the price as well. It's a good laptop. But remember, before you take the laptop, you check each and every details of the laptop, because once you take the laptop from the office, it's difficult to return. It's a hectic process. So check if everything is working, all the configurations, all the settings are right. So you need to do that. As you all know, Accenture provides laptop next day to the onboarding. For example, if you get onboarded on 19th of September, they'll be giving you laptop on 20th of September. So before you take this laptop, you need to check each and everything about the laptop so that you don't face any difficulty in the future. So let's keep laptop aside. So next, as I showed you, the charger of the laptop. So as you can see, the charger, they are providing a 65 watt charger. If you can see this clearly, 65 watt charger. Along with this charger, you can see the Jabra headsets. So the Jabra headsets, you can see the MRP is around 7,500. So let's do the unboxing of this headset. I have not removed it yet. Okay, so as you can see, it has a USB connection port. You cannot connect it to your mobile phones, you can only connect it to your laptops. So let's remove this. As you can see, you have a microphone. You can use this in Teams or Skype very easily. They are very comfortable. You can extend this according to your head size. As well as they have given some documentation in the headset, which for sure you'll not be reading. So let's keep them aside. So next is how to use. If you want, you can just see the procedure of these headsets. So then first of all, the laptop, then the headsets, the charger obviously, and next is the access card. So this is very important, because without access card you cannot enter the office premises. So first of all, they'll give you a temporary access card like this. So next, they'll send you a mail to apply for a permanent access card. So you need to follow that procedure, and you need to apply for the permanent access card. So once your access card is ready, they will not post it to you, but you must go to the facility which they are providing, and you must collect it physically, your access card, permanent access card. So as you can see, these are the few things provided by Accenture. Unfortunately, they have not provided a laptop bag yet, but in future they might provide the goodies like a laptop bag, water bottles, etc. So this was all about the welcome kit of Accenture. Now, secondly, next come to the accommodation details. So as you all know, Accenture is providing accommodation for first 14 days. That is for candidates from outside cities. For example, if your location is Chennai and you are within Chennai, they'll not provide you accommodation. It is like not it is not like mandatory they'll not provide you. They can provide if you give any genuine reason that like you cannot travel, so you can give a genuine reason, then they'll surely provide your accommodation. Rest all the cities outside, let it be a nearer city also, not an issue if you are etc. So this was all about the welcome kit of Accenture. Now, secondly, next come to the accommodation details. So as you all know, Accenture is providing accommodation for first 14 days. That is for candidates from outside cities. For example, if your location is Chennai and you are within Chennai, they'll not provide you accommodation. It is like not it is not like mandatory they'll not provide you. They can provide if you give any genuine reason that like you cannot travel, so you can give a genuine reason, then they'll surely provide your accommodation. Rest all the cities outside, let it be a nearer city also, not an issue if you are outside the city, then they'll surely provide you an accommodation for 14 days, that is for 2 weeks. So within this 14 days you'll be done with your induction program, which you'll be having in any of one of the 5-star hotels, that is on your onboarding day. Second day you'll be collecting the laptop, and third day your stream training, that is techgenic training, will start. So this is the process of Accenture in first few days. So within first 14 days they'll be providing you accommodation, as I said. So you need to search for PGs or any apartments, whichever convenient for you. So you can search it nearer to your location. So this was all about accommodation. So if you have any doubts related to this welcome kit, please drop down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So along with this, if you want any mini vlog of Accenture, or if you want a mini vlog of the accommodation which they are providing, it's a good room, manageable. It's not that bad. So this was all about the accommodation. So if you have any doubt at last, please drop down in the comment section. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And in future, we'll be doing unboxing of various other companies also, unboxing of various other company welcome kits like Cognizant, DXC, etc. So please stay tuned with our YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching our today's video. Have a good day.